Good morning everybody, I am a Press Editorial Photography student at Falmouth University and I'm going to show you my day because last week the very infamous Martin Parr came to uni because he is partnered with our course, like the Martin Parr Foundation. Kind of a mixed match because I'm going to include some of the footage from that because he came in and gave us like a talk and he also went through all of our work, which is quite cool, but also I didn't vlog the rest of the day, so. I'm late for uni again. This is Braz. We just had a nice little lecture about branding. Not that you can see it, but I didn't feel like it was appropriate to film it. This is our website so far, and we've been told to like change this, so that's how I've spent my last 20 minutes. We finished, and now we're on the hunt for some tea. This is the Stannery. Here's Alex. I work here anyway, so this is a bit like random, but I always come up here and get my tea. We have loads of new cider and beer, and they've changed all of the taps. Last time I worked was absolute carnage, didn't know where anything was, but look at all this. And then yeah, I always come up here for my tea.
Yeah, that's what ready for you.
Yeah, she does, she's great. What a lovely day. Honestly, campus is so beautiful today. And he's done these lovely prints. Look how nice that is.
Paper's 100% sustainably recycled, and there's seeds within it so you can plant it and grow flowers from my prints.
There you go. And she's now cropping them. We came to the beach. I feel like doing a creative course, your brain never really switches off, so just to be able to like go to the beach and just like sit for a bit is really nice. Now home from the beach, I'm just gonna make myself some lunch because it's like 20 to 2. Martin Parr is, are we like the course that are associated with the Martin Parr Foundation?
No, I think it's because of the IP. I guess so.
Are the course associated with the Martin Parr Foundation, and he's come to do a talk.
Themes in my career which are recurring. One of them is tourism. Tourism is the biggest industry in the world. So this is Paris and Las Vegas. And one of the magic things about photography, you know, very often when someone is copying you or looking at the camera when you're doing a candid shot, it ruins the picture.
Sat in the IOP, we've all put our work up and we're waiting for Martin Parr to come. There you go.
Yeah, so I like it. Em's obviously being productive as usual.
I am being productive, I'm writing some stuff.
I mean, I can see lots of shots, you know, just like in here. But they're not there!
This is 2 weeks ago.
One project. This is from one project Okay. Now, I mean, the thing with Coney Island, very well photographed, right? Even in the winter. Sense great potential, right? Of course, no, get stuck in there.
We're leaving uni. We've been in since 10:30. It is now 10 to 6. This is a very standard day. We end up being here far longer than we ever thought we would be, and then we go home really tired. Look how pretty it is in here. We're doing, oh, I don't look like I'm doing anything. I promise I am, not just on Facebook. I'm researching for my essay, and he's referencing her essay, using her lovely Harvard referencing book. I've just gone back from town and parcelled up some stuff that I sold on Depop, and I've come downstairs and Liam is trimming the garden. Oh, you smell like grass.
Good job that is right there, kids. Smells lovely.
This has officially been the longest day. I'm now off to the library. This is like an accurate day in the life of someone who's coming up to deadlines. It's deadline season, everyone. Well, we have our snacks. It's the real life, like everyone in this section is Pep. If you enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up. Check out Falmouth Uni, come to Falmouth, come for an open day. I don't really have much else to say. But yeah, check out Falmouth Uni. It's fun, it's a cool place to be. I hope you've enjoyed my day in the life. And yeah, go subscribe to my YouTube as well. Goodbye.